Hello friends, in today's lecture we will show you another type of mechanical end effector is the gear and rack actuation, means use of rack and pinion arrangement for grasping purpose. So in this particularly gear and rack actuation, this figure shows exactly construction and working of rack and pinion actuation. So it consists of two gears, gear number first, gear number second, and a rack is directly attached in between gear first and gear second. This is the fulcrum number first, fulcrum number second. Okay, and these are the two fingers, finger number first and finger number second, or this is the guided rail. Okay, so figure shows the gear rack method for actuating gripper. The rack may be attached to the piston device or some other means of drive which makes the rack to move linearly. Okay, means rack moves linearly. The piston or gears, the pinion or gears are meshed with the rack which makes the gear in rotate. The rotation of gear means rotation of gear number first and rotation of gear number second. Okay, when rack moves from left to right at the same time, gear number first and gear number second will rotates. Okay, and means which makes the gear to rotate. The rotation of gear leads to sliding action to rack that slides on the guide rail, and finally the fingers of the gripper close and open at the regular interval, means closing and opening action or closing and opening action of two fingers done with the help of rack and pinion arrangement. When piston or pressure or rack moves from left to right at the same time, gear number first rotate in anti-clockwise direction, gear number first rotate in clockwise direction due to fulcrum action, and finger number first and finger number second gives the gripping action. In this way the working, or this is the simply working of rack and pinion arrangement. Then another type of mechanical end effector is the cam actuation, means use of cam and followers for the actuation purpose. So this figure shows cam actuation or cam and follower mechanism for the gripping purpose. So this is the simply cam, these are the two followers. Okay, then fulcrum number first, fulcrum number second, these are the two links, link number first, link number second. Okay, so finger number first and finger number second directly connected to last joint. Okay, and FG means force applied by finger first and finger number second. So this is the simply construction of cam actuation. So the cam actuated grippers includes a variety of possible designs. A cam and follower arrangement is shown in figure, often using a spring loaded, okay, means spring is directly attached to the middle portion. Okay, means often using spring loaded followers can be provided opening and closing action of gripper. The advantages of this arrangement is that the spring action would be accommodate different size object, means you can easily grasp different types of object with the help of this spring. Then another type or third type of end effector is the screw actuation. So this figure shows screw actuation or screw type or mechanical type end effector with screw actuation. It consists of threaded block. Okay, so this is the simply threaded block, the threaded block, and this is the screw. Then two levers, lever number first, lever number second, or finger number first, finger number second. Okay, so figure indicates an example of screw type actuation. Okay, this figure indicates an example of screw type actuation used in the gripper design. See the screw, so suppose this is the screw and threaded block. It gives exactly actuation purpose or exactly actuation of two fingers. Means figure indicates an example of screw type actuation used in the gripper design. The screw turns by a motor. Okay, means the screw is directly attached to motor or reducing gearbox. Okay, means motor act as a drives or peripheral device in case of screw actuation. Means the screw turns by motor, usually accompanied by speed reduction or speed reduction mechanism due to rotation of screw. Okay, due to rotation of the screw, the threaded block moves. Okay, due to rotation of the screw, threaded block moves or causing opening and closing of the finger depending upon the direction of rotation of screw. Okay, means the threaded, due to rotation of this screw, the threaded block moves. Okay, so causing opening and closing of these two fingers, finger number first and finger number second. So causing opening and closing of finger number first and finger number second depending upon direction of rotation of screw. So this is the simply working principle of mechanical type end effector or screw actuation member or screw actuation method. And in that cam actuation method, the cam actuated gripper includes the variety of possible designs. A cam and follower arrangement is shown in figure, often using the spring loaded followers can be or can provide the opening and closing action of gripper. The advantages of this arrangement is that the spring action would be accommodated by different size object. Okay, means due to this spring action or spring, you can directly grasp different sized object as per your or according to your decided task. And in that first type of gear and rack and pinion arrangement, this is the rack and pinion arrangement of mechanical type end effector. So these are the four different types of mechanical grippers used in robotics: link actuation, gear and rack actuation, cam actuation, and screw actuation. Different mechanisms or different mechanical linkage or linkages used for grasping purpose. The basic function of end effector to grasp the object or to pick the object from one location and place to another location. Means you can easily perform the task, pick and place task by using mechanical type end effector. Okay, so these are the basically four different types of mechanical end effector according to or based on the kinematic devices.